Welcome to this channel, traders. Let's do this quickly. I just want to analyze step by step. Maybe you will catch the idea. Okay, so let's start maybe from the bottom. Let's take NZDCAD. Remember what I said yesterday, that you have to enter the market when price is moving in a zigzag. Okay, it's moving in a zigzag, because what you want to see is price breaking through this lower key level for you to know that price will continue selling. If it will come back and break through this lower key level again, you will know that price will continue selling. So what happened right here? Price came down, pushed up, and then broke through this key level, okay, this turning point that you see, suggesting that price was going to continue in the downward direction. So for me was to wait for this pullback so that I could enter the trade. Okay, so how did I enter the trade? Remember, you have to enter when price is from the top of the RSI. Okay, you know that price is on a downtrend if price is coming from the top of the RSI. Lastly, remember what I said, I had to enter at that pullback. Okay, you see this pullback. How do you note that pullback? I entered at that pullback. So that is how you take this trade. Okay, maybe let's take another trade. We were from the bottom. Let's pick GBPUSD. Okay, I think I should be closing this trade because price is now closing above that key level. I'll explain maybe by the end of this video how to note reversals again. Okay, but I'm not under pressure. This is a cent account. I use it for teaching so that I'm not under pressure as I teach. You can't play around with money like this. Remember, we were on Euro USD. So what happened right here? See that I entered the trade there. Okay, so how did I take this trade? Remember, first step, price should be on a zigzag. Let me maybe zoom out. Okay, it's clear now. Price started moving down, up, down. Okay, up, down a little bit, up, and then down, and then up. Price failed to close above that upper key level. To me, if price fails to spike up before it can pull down again, if price fails to do that, it is a clear sign that price is reversing. Okay, the next thing to confirm is to just check if price is around the top of the RSI. If price is at the top and breaking or moving in the downward direction, I confirm again that really this could be a reversal. So now I have to enter the trade at a pullback. Okay, at a pullback there. Okay, okay, see that price broke through that key level. Okay, that key level, price broke through it, pushed down, and then it pushed up. So this is where I should find the trade. So right here, it's where I enter the sell trade. Okay, this should be easy, traders. Maybe let me pick another pair. Okay, let's take maybe GBPCHF. Okay, GBPCHF, it was a buy. Okay, so right here clearly you can see price was from the upward direction, and then it came to touch right here. Okay, so what you focus on now is what is happening on the main chart. What you want to see on the main chart is something like this, and then you want to see price coming to close above that key level, and then when price pulls back, it should fail to break through that lower key level. Okay, so let's see what happened. Price was trending downwards. Okay, downtrending, okay, downtrending, and then price pulled back. Okay, pulled up, pulled back, failing to close below this key level is an indication that price could be reversing. So what you do is you start making your checkups on other things like the RSI, and then you see that, oh, really price is from the bottom. So this trend could be pulling back or reversing. Now, the last thing that you need to wait for is for price to come and close above that key level, and then you will enter at a pullback. Okay, price should come and close above, and then at a pullback, it is where you are going to find the trade based on the stochastic oscillator. Okay, so let's see what happened. You see that, okay, let me show you. Price came to close above this key level. Okay, I might have entered this trade early. Okay, maybe I was looking at other things like the sessions. Didn't really close above there. For you, you are still new, make sure you are disciplined when doing this thing. Price closed above clearly right somewhere around there. Okay, that is where price closed above that key level, okay. So you would have entered somewhere around these pullbacks. This was not a good trade for me to take. Okay, you see this pullback is not at the 20 line level. Must have done it wrong, but then whatever I was looking at, it worked out. So it is like that, traders. Maybe on a clean chart, if I can summarize everything, for you to enter a buy trade on the main chart, price should be moving down like this, and price should, let's say price pulls back, price should fail to come and close below this key level, and it should close above this one. So if you see price coming to close above that key level, pulling back, failing to close below this one, and then if you see the price pulling up again like that, that is where you enter your buy trade, provided that price is also at the bottom of the RSI and this pullback is reflected on the stochastic 20 line level of the stochastic. Just sit down, relax, take your time and do this. If you are very new in Forex, don't worry about top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is very important if you are entering trades from a higher time frame. It's like if you want to move on a higher gear in a car, you will have to start on the smaller gears. You have to start at gear number 1 and then you can get to your 7 speed. Okay, but if you are interested in moving at a slow pace at gear number 1, there's no need to go through these higher gears. It's just like that, traders. Focus on one time frame, 5 minutes, analyze clearly or try to understand this thing. You will have a breakthrough in this thing. I wish you the best. Thank you for watching this video.